Why don't you try the tofu pizza? Let's try diet pizza with me. When Koreans are on a diet, we replace the food that we want to eat with the low-calorie ingredients. So today, I made a pizza with tofu and egg, and here's the recipe. Using egg and tofu instead of white flour, this is for sure diet food, right? Oh my god. This is way better than I thought. Oh my god, look at the teaspoon. If you put some vegetable, it's 99% pizza. I really like the way the Koreans change the ingredients for the diet. It's yummy diet.